Today I'm going to show you how to use a few of the interesting features in Google Classroom. So if you open up your classroom and the teacher view, you'll start out in the mainstream. You'll notice I have a lot of topics along the side. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the value of topics. So here I opened up a new announcement, and in this announcement, I'm just going to label it sample. If I give it a topic, so in this case resources, uh, it will sort these by category. I'm not going to post this so that I don't flood the people in this class with extra stuff, but if you look at the resources topic, let's say I only want to see resources I posted, there's all the resources that I posted. It cuts out all the other pieces. So your topics is a really solid piece to use. To get back, you just click on this back arrow. That will show your students just things on a specific topic. The next is in creating assignments. You can actually assign something to all of your classes at once. Now I have a ton of classes, you probably only have a handful, but if you're doing the same assignment or you have an announcement for everybody, you can actually send it to all of them at once. Once you do send it out to each class, it becomes an independent assignment. They're not continuously linked, and so you can't make changes from one that will affect all the others. You have to change in each one if you make a mistake, or delete them all and resend it a new assignment to the entire group. But you can see you can add as many classes as you want and it will post. I find that at over 4 classes and it tends to get a little slow. The last thing I'll show you is if you're adding something from your Google Drive. So let's say I'm going to add this spreadsheet and I want every kid to get their own copy. So here I'm going to click on the arrow. I'm going to come down to where it says make a copy for each student, and they'll each get their own copy. Anytime you want kids to be working individually on something, this is the best way to assign it. You need to give it a title to assign it, and then you could assign individual copies to every single student. So those are 3 very useful tools in Google Classroom. I'll give you one more. If you share a class with a teacher, if you go into this About tab, you'll see right here it says Invite Teacher. Click on that. All you have to do is type in that teacher's name, and if they're in your user directory, then which would be all of the eht.k12.nj.us for us, they'll come up and you just select them and add them to your class.